The next thing we will learn is pronouns. You already know how to say I in Hebrew. I, ani, ani. Now let's see, how do we say you, masculine singular? You, ata, ata. You, feminine singular, at, at. He, in Hebrew, is hu, and she, in Hebrew, is he. I repeat, he, in Hebrew, is hu, and she, in Hebrew, would be he. Next pronoun is we. Anachnu. Anachnu refers to male and female. Anachnu. You, plural masculine, would be atem. Atem. You, feminine plural, is aten. Aten. They, masculine, hem, and they, feminine, hen. אז שוב, אנחנו, we, אתם, you, plural masculine, אתן, you, feminine plural, הם, they, masculine, hen, they, feminine. Let's practice. Ana studentit. Ana studentit. Ana is he or who? Ana is female. Therefore, Ana is he, she. Very good. Let's move on to the next example. David. David, student. David, student. David, הוא או היא? מה אתם חושבים? David, who? David is a male, therefore is he, who. Very good. משה וחנה. משה וחנה סטודנטים. משה וחנה, הם או הן? Now, before you answer this example, you need to know that in Hebrew, when you have a group of people, which are males and females, then you need to address them as masculine. The default is masculine. So in our example, we have Moshe and Chana. Moshe and Chana. Moshe is masculine, Chana is feminine, therefore we're going to address them as masculine. Moshe וחנה, הם או הן? משה וחנה, הם. למה? Because Moshe is masculine and we have to address them as masculine. חנה ודנה. חנה and דנה. חנה ודנה סטודנטיות. סטודנטיות. חנה ודנה, הם או הן? Chana is a female. Dana, a female. Chana vedana, hen. Let's move on to the next example. Dan, do you live in Israel? How do you say it in Hebrew? First of all, you need to know that in Hebrew, we don't use do, does, am, is, are. So we'll ask, Dan, אתה גר בישראל? We address אתה because Dan is masculine. Dan, אתה גר בישראל? Now you can also notice that my tone is a bit different. And the reason is because we're asking a question. Listen to the next sentence. דן, אתה גר בישראל. This is not a question. This is a fact. דן, אתה גר בישראל. Let's hear the question again. דן, אתה גר בישראל? Now it's a question. So when you speak, you need to be sure what tone you use. Let's move on to the next example. Hannah, do you live in Israel? Now you try. So Hannah is a female, so we use you female singular. את. Hannah, את גרה בישראל. Do you remember that גרה is female singular? גר is masculine singular. Hannah, את גרה בישראל? Hannah, do you live in Israel? מה חנה עונה? What Hannah will answer to this question? I live in Israel. You say it. אני גרה בישראל. מצוין. או I don't live in Israel. בבקשה. יפה. אני לא גרה בישראל. Hannah is a female, so we use גרה.